Who broke that one?
Table.
Really?
Really.
Are you sure? So who should I spank?
Table.
Oh, come on. Who broke that orange jumbo crayon?
Table.
Why? How did Kuya Bog break it? How did Kuya Bog break the orange crayon?
Really.
Really? Are you sure?
So.
Can you show me how Kuya Bog broke it?
Table.
Can you show me? How did Kuya Bog break the crayon? How? Show me. Show me ba?
But
What did
that one.
Kuya Bog bite the
Yeah.
crayon?
Yeah.
How?
Really.
Really? Show me. Can you show me how?
Really.
Who should I spank then?
Yes. Table.
That's Kuya Bog's shirt?
Yeah.
What should I do to Kuya Bog's shirt?
This is it.